tow bar off the front, get those axles out from under the back. And when I took pictures of this for Marketplace, I took pictures of it with all that on it. So once I get all that off, I can take some new pictures without the wheels, without the tow bar. It'll start to look a lot more like what I've got for sale here once I do that. And that'll be a good thing. I have to admit, when I was going up the hill with this thing over at Bud's house, and it got hung up on the roots, and I had to redo all this, and I didn't know if I had enough straps and wherewithal to do it. Sometimes I pray, you know, like if I go to do something to try to help somebody, and I'm not strong enough to do it, or don't have what I need to do it, or not knowledgeable enough, I pray. I say, okay, God, you want me to be helpful to folks, you gotta help me to be strong enough. And I think about Sampson, you know, he prayed to be stronger after Delilah cut his hair off in the Bible, and they strapped him to a pillar in their pagan temple, I guess it was, and made fun of him and all that. Well, he prayed to God to give him enough strength to break his chains and defeated these people that had captured him. And God said, okay, made him strong, boom. He flexed his muscles and the temple fell down. So I try to keep that in mind, because sometimes I need a little Sampson strength, you know, I may not be strong enough to undo what's been done. Like that right there. Now, I may not be strong enough to undo that, but I can try kicking it. Maybe I need a big hammer to hit that with. We'll get me one. I'm going to take this and put it back there and put the jack on it to jack up that part back yonder. And get the wheels out from under it. And I think it is that this will be a handy little tool to have if I ever need to, I don't know, move something else. I could use a set of wheels to slide up under something to move it, just like I did this, you know. That came in real handy. Yeah, worked good. All right, now I think my front end is sitting on that tow bar. Sure how's the best way to get that out of there, but maybe if I knock that board loose, it might give me enough slack to do it. Like that. There you go. Put that up. If you ever have a Volkswagen Bug, this is what you need. You can put this on the front of your Volkswagen Bug and tow it. Handy to have. Even though I don't have a Volkswagen anymore, I hang on to that. Might need one someday. And it worked pretty good for today's project, really. Yeah, baby. So I'll haul all these straps and everything, put them where they go, and then I'll come back up here and take a picture of that table. Oh, the joy. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. You could have been in the best jail in Fulton County, Georgia, but instead you decided to hang out with me, so I really appreciate that. Hope you have a good day, because by golly, I'm going to. See you, bye.